Hi there, welcome to my show, Taste of Fiji. This is your host, Uday Pratap. Today I'm going to cook you Thai chicken. Simple recipe. Um, Sometimes you may go out to the restaurants, eat some kind of food and say, oh my God, this is so good. You want to come home and you want to try the same food, cooking the same food, and you're trying to figure out, oh my God, this is like curry paste. Where do we get curry paste and all that stuff? No, don't buy curry paste and this stuff. Go to the Asian supermarket and buy all those spices. They're all right there. Just buy it because you're gonna be cooking constantly. There's two things: either you like eating or you like cooking. So why not go to the supermarket, buy those spices, label it up, and put it in the kitchen. So, having said that, I'm going to show you a simple recipe how to cook Thai chicken. All right, you with me? Well guys, this is all done and ready for testing, and let's see how this baby tastes. Damn, this turned out really nice. Well guys, if you like my channel, if you like my recipe, whatever I cooked today, please share it among your friends, press that like button, and do subscribe my channel. Until then, like we Fijians say, Nisa Mode.